Hello, Manish Sethi here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install the new beta firmware to your Pavlok device. First of all, enter the Pavlok app and it should look something like this. And if you click on the remote, you should be able to see your Pavlok device and the details. If you click on the More section, you'll be able to see the firmware of the device, which will be something. And now you can, from the More section, go ahead and click on the redeem code. Go ahead and type in redeem of beta firmware, like that. All lowercase, one word, beta firmware, code will redeem. Once that code is redeemed, you should go back to the home section and you'll see a beta firmware section in the app. From here, you're going to want to install the newest beta firmware, and what I want you to do is to click on the ANCS test firmware right at the top. So if you're going to click there, hit begin update, and it's going to begin to connect and pair. This will take a while, so let it go. Once you see the latest firmware installed icon, hit OK, click on More, no connection. You're going to want to reconnect to the device by clicking on the remote control and hitting pair. And this might take a couple tries. I just saw those lights, and now it's going to show me the actual device, the DDE8. So this is now the device. It might rename the device, as you just saw. That's for testing this purposes. And now when you go into the device section, you should be able to see the firmware as 5.1.0. So now that is the right firmware. That means you're updated. And at this point, you can start testing. So you should have already been paired. And now we just want you to unpair and repair and play around with it like you normally would. And hopefully you'll be able to see much, much, much improved pairing on your device. Thank you very much.